As soon as there is sunrise, the mist or the fog immediately disappears. Many thousands of miles, people in the fog, they cannot run on railway, they cannot run on the aeroplanes. And I have experienced yesterday, practically our plane was lost in the fog and high in the sky. And I have seen in the sea also, as soon as there is fog, while I was coming to a country on ship, the ship stops and they began to bugle, boom, 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 like that. But as soon as there is sun, these thousands miles of fog immediately. The example is very nice. Niharam iva bhaskar. So you try to make Krishna's sun rise in your heart. Krishna Surya Sama. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is said, Krishna is just like sun. Maya andhakar. And Maya, this illusory energy, it is darkness. Jaha Krishna taha nahi maya adhikar. As soon as there is sun, Krishna, immediately darkness of Maya disappears. So why not take this simple method? All Maya disappears. Daivijji sa gunamai mama Maya durattaya. Otherwise, to surpass, to overcome this ocean of darkness, Maya, is very difficult. Daivijji sa gunamai mama Maya durattaya. Durattaya, very, very difficult. Hard. Then how? Mameva japrapadante mayame tang taranti. Simply teach people to surrender unto Krishna, God. All illusion, fog, mist will disappear. Will disappear. And the method is very simple. Chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. The more you go on chanting, the fog within your heart, the clumsy darkness of many, many life's sinful activities will be cleared. Chita darpanamad. And everything will be seen very distinctly. What I am, what is God, what is this world, what is our interrelation, how I shall live in this world, then what is my next life. So, this process recommended by Sukadeva Goswami, Kevalaya Bhakta. Take to devotional service this Krishna consciousness and everything, all other things will be automatically adjusted. Thank you very much.